So here we go, and we are going to Korea, and we have plenty of activities waiting for us in Korea. So first of all, we will be moving down to a rural area, not in Seoul. The reason being that we bring all these students to the rural areas because I want them to be able to speak and being able to communicate with local people. Fortunately, Korean Seoul is being a metropolitan city, and most of them are actually able to communicate in Chinese and English. So those students who learn Korean may not be able to, practice it. So this is the main reason they bring into a rural area for them to be able to local, probably ajashi, uncle and auntie over there, and get to know more about the culture things in the farming area. Okay, so hopefully everything turns out to be great and create a great experience for all my students. Thank you.
3번
진짜 정말 완전 화나!
Westbound, far as you can make it. Undeniable. Touchdown, looking for the darkest street on the bay. Hoping to start a revolution, a revival. A few days in and he can already say San Francisco, I've been there before. I kicked down the door at those golden gates. It's San Francisco, I've been there before. So near to the shore, but so far away. Here we go, San Francisco, here we go, San Francisco, way. Here we go, San Francisco, here we go, San Francisco. Ain't you working at a hostel through September? One room, blanket and a Bible, all that he had. Some days never saw the sun on streets so tender, and some nights they felt like fire, so kids going mad. Hey, San Francisco, I've been there before. I kicked down the door at those golden gates. Hey, San Francisco, I've been there before. So near to the shore, but so far away. Here we go, San Francisco, here we go, San Francisco, ooh, San Francisco, here we go, San Francisco, far away. Far away. Far away. And he says the streets are all the same. Hey, Music City by the bay. Oh, here we go, San Francisco. I've been there before. I kicked down the door at those golden gates. Hey, San Francisco, I've been there before. So near to the shore, but so far away. Here we go, San Francisco. Here we go, San Francisco, far away. Here we go, San Francisco, here we go, San Francisco, far away.
안녕.
감사합니다, 어머님. 이렇게 빌려주셔서.
우리 어머니 너무 감사합니다. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. 네,